Aloha, everybody. it's Ronin, and I am here in Kauai right now. And I wanted to shoot this video real quick for people that are checking out the group and that are interested and don't know how to get started and don't know if this is for real. Like these people behind me. But I wanted to go ahead and tell you, yeah, it is for real. And yes, you can change your life trading and learning to trade, learning how to navigate the markets. But I want to make this disclaimer that it doesn't happen overnight. But I just want to tell you a little bit about my journey, how I got here, and it just take 2 or 3 minutes to do this. There's links below to how to get started. You can start directly from us. I've laid out my program, how my strategies, which work for me to be profitable and to be consistent. And I'm going to show you some things to prove to you that, it is possible and that you can do this and that I've done it. I'm not just selling you a course, and I don't have my own trading back history, So first of all, let me show you this right here and share my screen with you. And this was me. Here I was a few years ago, and I was in Nashville, and I was working construction. I was doing landscaping, irrigation on construction sites, and this was in July. And I look pretty happy there. I'm a happy guy, but I'm making 14 bucks an hour. You can see here's the tractor that I was driving in the background, just digging shit up, and we were growing watermelons. So anyways, I guess that's what I was happy about, is that, I actually found this, that was ripe to be had, because that was a good news, because I barely had enough money to buy food. 14 bucks an hour didn't get you very far, especially when you're 29 years old, as I was at the time, or 30 or something, 33 now. So and that's about the same time as when I started to learn how to trade. And now it's 3 years later, and I can do this in Hawaii, and but it doesn't happen overnight, is what I want to stress to you guys. Two, you got to keep up with it. Like, you got to go through these trainings that I have. If you decide to do this, if you would like me as a mentor, it's totally possible, right? So, but you have to be dedicated. You can't be like, I put 300 bucks in an account and it's gone and now I quit. Because I hate to break it to you, but it's going to take a lot. It's going to take a lot more than that. You got to stay dedicated. That's why I stress, trade on a demo while you're going through the training. Go through the training a couple times, and really, when you're ready, start to deposit a significant amount into your account so you have enough, commitment to actually do this for real. Because if you put 200 bucks in, and you have missed 1-2 trades, you're pretty much screwed. So I really want to stress to you guys to commit to this, to make it a game, right? Make trading a game to learn, right? To beat. That's when it started to change for me. I was like, okay, I'm not that much of a gamer, but I started looking at the markets kind of like a video game, and I took out the money equation, right? Because when I was like, oh man, if I do this and this and this, and this happens, and I'm gonna make 500 bucks, and then I can pay for this, and that's like a self-defeating thought. Trust me, if you start thinking about the money like that, you need to be thinking of percentages and growth, but you don't need to be thinking, if I do this, then I'm going to make this, and then I'll have this, because it never works like that. So here's one of my personal accounts, and this was from last month, 2 months. You can see here's my trades. I started with the deposit. What I did was I deposited $5 grand, then I deposit another 5, and then deposit another 5. And over the course of like 3 months, right? So, which totaled about 15, and then I was able to double that and you can see here's the withdrawal, which I transferred into my managed MAM account. So I deposited 14, profit 28, and moved out 43,000. And well, now here I am in Hawaii. So let me show you my trades. So, and just to show you that this is possible, look, I have losing trades too, right? So just to show you guys, you know, it's staying consistent. I have a lot of smaller trades, and that start to stack up, which is one of my strategies, is scalping, which I start to go over that in more advanced sections of the training. But you got to learn the basics, right? And that's what this program is all about. And you got to be dedicated, for sure. I'm not going to blow smoke up your ass. I'm not somebody that's posting, you know, Lamborghinis and stuff on Instagram and trying to sell you on an image. Yes, I am in Hawaii right now, but I am here working too. I've been trading some. It's 4th of July, or yesterday was, so the market's going real slow. But I'm still working, right? So I'm still grinding, always at it. I never have a day off, right? Maybe Saturdays. It takes me a little longer to get back to my messages, but I'm still going at it, and that's what I want to portray to you guys. Sorry, there's a lot of trades here, right? So just like there's a lot of trades here, you got to be consistent. You see a lot of blue, but there's some red too. But you got to stick with it, man. And that's what I really want to stress to you guys. But I do want you to know that, you know, I do care, right? I do care that you guys are learning, that you're progressing, and that you stick with it. I guarantee, you know, that there's guys and girls that have been in my group since August, September, even July when we started. It started a little bit before July, but you know, there's people that are there and they've stuck with it, and they have a lot better grasp on the markets than they did when they started. There's been a lot more people that have been around for a month and then bounce. So I have a friend that's from the Big Island that's coming over here, and we're gonna surf the rest of the time here. So it's gonna be pretty sick. So I just wanted to show you this. You know, I am for real. I do this for real. You know, a lot of people out there that are selling this are just they're not really doing the deal. So I just wanted to show you that. So whether you're watching this video for the first time and you're deciding, hey, should I start with a broker, with one of his brokers, or should I just buy the course? I do recommend that you just buy the course, right? Because then you're not obligated to start trading live. Then you can use whatever broker you want. You skip the verification process, and you can do things your way, and you have lifetime membership. But if you do want to start with the broker, the thing about that is that you do need to have a live account. You do need to stay active on that live account, because every now and then we audit everybody and go through, and if you're not active on the account, then you're no longer a member in the group, because that's the deal we unfortunately have worked out with the broker. So that being said, but it's totally up to you. Like I said, that was me, you know, look at that. And but in there, I knew I wanted to do something different. I was going to do whatever it takes. And that's probably just, if I summed up this message, you know, super quick, learn it, man, and don't get discouraged. That's it. So for the people that are in my group that are watching this video, y'all are the best. And I know I haven't been in the chat room as much this week because this is why. And yesterday was July 4th. The market's really slow. Tomorrow's NFP. I have still been sending out signals to you guys, but you know, it's not as much as I normally do, and not as much interaction in the group, just because well, I'm here right now, and it's a lot of professional traders are on holiday this week, so that's why. And plus, we got the World Cup going on, so that's why the very low liquidity, and the market's super volatile because there's not that much liquidity, and there's a lot of trap movements going on in the market. So sometimes when it's like that, it's just best to stay out. So anyways, if you're watching this for the first time, if you're watching this on YouTube, thanks so much. Like, we do want you in the group. We are trying to make a difference. And I know what it's like to be this dude that's working construction and has $60 in the bank account or whatever, because I've been there. So just stick with it, man. It gets better. And this is definitely an outlet to do that. So thanks so much for watching the video. Check it out. I'm going to go get in. And then surfing later today. So if you want to follow me on my personal Instagram page, Open Heart Liberation is the name of it. So you can check it out. I have like Hawaii stories on there and stuff too. And I don't talk about trading really ever on that page. Ronin Forex Academy is my business Instagram. So check those out. If you like this video, like it, and I want to see you guys out here on the beach with me, for real. So, you know, maybe we'll do that. I'm still planning a trip to South Africa to do a seminar there. The UK would be sick too. So we'll figure that out towards the end of the year. And yeah, a beach trading surf retreat would be fucking sick, right? So who knows what could happen. But thanks for watching the video. I appreciate all you guys, especially the VIP members. I mean, y'all are kick-ass, and that you know who you are, the ones that have been in there since August and September and before. You know, I appreciate everybody. So especially the ones that don't quit. So thanks for watching this video, and I will catch you in the chat room, and shoot me a message if you have any questions. Thanks so much for watching, and click the links below. Peace.